Getting approved for initial credit. Lenders and vendors get nervous when they see a new business. Give them a reassurance by baking legitimacy right into your company. Company legitimacy will also reassure clients and prospects, and it should make you, the owner, get serious if you aren't already. Business legitimacy means you've got a business on your hands and not just a hobby. Next, we'll cover your banking account and balances. Open a business bank account at the bank where you have your personal business. Keep a high account balance in it. This is essential for a high bank rating. Try to keep a bank balance of $10,000 or higher for what's called a high 5 bank rating. Uniformity is key. Creditors are not going to hunt for every iteration of your company's name. Make it painfully easy for them to find you. This means your exact business name is always used. And for businesses with numbers in the name, decide whether the number is spelled out, like FIVE, or is an Arabic numeral. Either way is fine. Just be consistent always. Contact us today to learn more about getting approved for initial credit.